Let's go back to Sam Mack. He's still in New Zealand. What have you got today?
Yeah, good morning, Nat, Chervo team. We are here on the North Island all week. We're at a beautiful spot and the sun coming up as well. Stunning morning here. Brick Bay Vineyard is where we are, the Matakana Coast. Matakana is a town only 10 minutes from here. Very small, around 500 people live there, but the coast has so many little spots you might want to check out, like this one. We've got sheep over here. Doesn't get much more Kiwi than that to kick off the morning. Good morning, everyone. We can't wait to show you around. I'll tell you why it's a very popular tourist spot, this particular vineyard, in a moment, but let's do your weather. So easy to get to New Zealand with new routes from Qantas as well, Perth and Adelaide. If you're thinking about getting over to check it out for yourself, you just saw one of the sculptures. There's 70 sculptures at this winery. So it's a 2-kilometre trail. We're going to show you some of the spectacular sculptures this morning as well. But an absolutely beautiful morning. Look at this. Take it in. Good morning, kia ora from New Zealand, guys. We're on the North Island all week.
That is stunning.
Isn't it?
What a trip.
It's a sunrise, yeah. Makes you want to go to New Zealand, Chervo, yes.
Book your flights.
Let's go back to Sam Mack. He's in NZ.
Good morning, Nat. Yes, we are. The Brick Bay Vineyard is where we're based this morning. The North Coast all week. Loving showing you around a beautiful New Zealand. Everything is so close together as well. There's a lot more still to come, but let's do a check of your weather. New Zealand very soon, but for now, over to you, Chervo.
Nice one. Thanks, Sam.
Sam Mack is exploring New Zealand's North Island. Hello.
We are. Good morning. Every day something different to share with you, to encourage you to, add it to your bucket list to eventually get over here and do it for yourself. Brick Bay Vineyard is where we are this morning on the Matakana Coast. Tom joins us. Hey, Tom.
Hey, Sam. Hi.
Now, you're an Aussie, but over here for 5 years working in New Zealand, and you obviously love it. We're going to have a look at some pictures, but tell us the story of Brick Bay Vineyard. It's more than just a winery. There's so much to see here.
Yeah, look, I think it's really what our founders set out to do. It's wine, it's food and it's sculpture, and it's really a transformative experience coming out here. Native bush, 2 kilometres of sculpture trail winding through the native bush here. And yeah, it's really an exciting place to visit for everyone.
There's around 70 sculptures, is that right?
Yeah, about 70. We're actually New Zealand's biggest open-air sculpture gallery. So it's for serious art buyers who want to come here, but it's also for people who don't even care for art, to be honest.
Well, we're loving it, and we appreciate you guys having us here. In a moment, we're going to share a particular piece, which we mentioned on the show yesterday. It's called Sex Choir. You're going to talk us through that.
That's right.
I'm sure people are just as intrigued as we were when we first heard about it. That's after your weather.
Sex Choir.
So, we had to go to this special spot. You can probably hear it. Please explain Sex Choir.
All right, so this is one of our sound works at Brick Bay. We've got sound works, we've got kinetic works, and we've got works that people can climb on. But this one is quite fun. It's Sam Hamilton's work, and it's actually, he was in the Amazon recording mating calls of all these different frogs and animals. And he came back to New Zealand and he gathered a group of 30 or so choir members.
Right.
And then got them all to mimic those sounds. And yeah, the name is awesome.
What a gig. So these people in a choir in New Zealand are mimicking the sounds of fornicating frogs in the Amazon, essentially.
Hence the name, yeah.
Did you ever have a go? Did you audition for the choir?
I did not, no. I have been in a choir, but
have you?
Not in this one.
Not a sex choir. No. I feel like I want to audition. Like, okay, so fornicating frogs. So, read it.
Oh, Sam.
What do you think?
It's not that.
I think we'll have to talk to Sam Hamilton.
I feel dirty after that. I'm so sorry. I apologise. We'll be back with more in half an hour, hopefully.
See, we were thinking it was just in New Zealand, lost in translation. There were just 6 people there.
There were six frogs all together.
That's how it happened.
But apparently not.
Anyway, coming up, let's go back to New Zealand. Sam Mack is there.
Yes, we are. Good morning. We're taking you with us along the North Island all week, giving you ideas of spots you might want to visit if you get over to New Zealand on a holiday of your own. We're at Brick Bay Vineyard this morning, but very close to here in Matakana is the Matakana Farmers Market. So we wanted to show you a little taste of what that looks like. Every Saturday, absolutely a beautiful setup they have here. And what we thought we would do is bring down some of the markets to the vineyard this morning. We're going to meet a few of them in just a moment, but first we'll do a check of your weather around Australia. Okay, well, let's kick things off. We're giving you a little taste of the markets, and Kath from Turbotonics joins us. Good morning, Kath.
Hey, welcome to Matakana.
Thank you. Tell us about what you do.
Well, Turbotonic is, it grew out of this community. It is a super potent turmeric, ginger and lime brew. Phenomenal support to your immune system, so great for travellers and very popular with our Aussie guests and
Love
visitors.
it.
Yeah, and it's also got enough turmeric in it to deliver on all those promises of turmeric.
Well, it sounds great. I'll try that in just a moment. Thank you, Kath, for coming down. Steve, you've got the bacon. Good morning, Steve.
I got the bacon, Sam. How are you?
Great.
This is New Zealand's only nitrate-free sugar bacon, made right in the village.
So why is nitrate bad?
Nitrates are a preservative, chemical preservative, and they're used in most processed meats to preserve it. However, when you heat them up, they change molecular formula, so there's been direct cancer links with nitrates.
Right. Okay.
So we've never
is it the
used
nitrate
it.
that makes it pink?
Makes it pink, makes it last longer. If you ever go into a supermarket and see that supermarket bacon with a 3-month shelf life, you'll know it's got nitrates
Well,
in
there
it.
you go. Thank you for sharing that with us. Smackdown to the other bacon suppliers. Tania from Unity. This looks amazing. Kia ora, good morning. What have we got here?
Kia ora. So Unity is in the Matakana village. It's a retailer. We're open 7 days and online, and it's a contemporary, authentic Māori gallery. So all of our creatives are all Māori.
I love that. And this one in particular caught my eye, the surfboard. That is epic. So that was an old surfboard that's been turned into a work of art. Tell us about the artist and how they managed to do that.
Yeah, the artist is Aaron Kehopa, and he lives in Regland, and he's just an incredible carver. So he started this journey a while ago and became very famous around the world.
That is so cool. I love that. The colours, the presentation. Thank you, everyone, for giving us a little taste of the markets. We're going to be back with more in half an hour. Give us a wave. Thank you, Kia ora from New Zealand.
Beautiful. Thanks, Sam.
On Sam Mack is exploring New Zealand. Hello.
Yeah, it's not as scary as the fornicating frogs we had on the show earlier.
true.
If you're just joining us, we can't explain. It's too long an explanation. We are at Brick Bay Vineyard, Matakana Coast. We're talking with the team from Sawmill. Kirsty joins us, which is about 10 minutes from here. Good morning.
Hi, Sam.
Great to see you. Kia ora. This is exciting because you guys, we visited you many years ago on the show, but you've just celebrated 20 years?
20 years of beers.
I love
That's
that.
Right.
So tell us about Sawmill for those that aren't familiar.
Well, we're about 10 minutes from here if you're visiting. It's a beautiful tap room. As you said, we've been around for a long time.
What's this one?
That is a XPA, but I'm going to crack you a Pilsner.
Okay.
Because Pilsner is our most popular brew here at Sawmill. What we're most famous for. Yeah, generous pour.
And tell us, thank you, tell us a bit more about the...
So we love using New Zealand hops and New Zealand malts. That
Very
beer
nice.
is all New Zealand hops and malts. We really love to celebrate New Zealand business. That's why we partner with them when we make things like our little, what did we decide it's called?
Well, you were calling
a cozy
it a cozy.
koozie.
I've only known it as a stubby holder. I mean, it's a very fancy stubby holder.
Yeah, it is.
So
made
you call it
from
a
wool.
cozy?
Well, we call it a koozie.
A koozie.
Yeah, but I think you said cozy, and I like that. It's a cozy koozie.
Yes.
And it actually keeps the beer cold, which is really quite messes with your head a bit because it's made from wool.
Yeah.
New Zealand wool, made here by a company called Norsewear, who make fantastic products.
Well, it's the law in New Zealand you have to use wool to make every product.
Every product
so
must be
you're
made
doing a
from
great
wool.
job with that.
So we're
Thank you
upholding
and
that.
congratulations on 20 years of beers. Sawmill. In a moment, we're going to move from beer to wine. I mean, it's nearly 10 a.m. local time, so that's fine. Let's do your weather. From Brick Bay, good morning.
Good morning.
This is beautiful what you've set out here. The biggest lemon I've seen in my life. We'll get to that in a moment, but tell us about the wine options that you guys have.
So we're doing 7 wines at the moment. 1 is sparkling, 2 white and 3 red wines. You should really try our sparkling wine first, light first.
Yeah.
Lovely champagne style,
Right.
Pinot and Chardonnay grapes.
I don't normally drink this early in the morning, but I'll make an exception for you guys and cue
You
the
can have stubbies all
screenshot.
the time.
Mm-hmm. That was a dramatic pause. Yeah, it's lovely. Thank you. But tell us more about the vineyard because there's sculptures. There's so much to do here.
Yes, there is. So the vineyard is about 5 acres. There's 2 vineyards on that side and on the other side near to the car park.
How do you get the lemons so big? Sorry, I'm so distracted by
so
that. It's absolutely enormous.
Is it a
That's
lemon?
the Ponderosa lemon. They're like ancient lemons back from the days when New Zealand was Gondwana.
Dinosaur lemons.
So just that's their normal size.
there a
It's a really, really big lemon. The zest is really beautiful. The flesh is not really any good, to be honest.
Okay.
But,
It's the size of the human emoji's head. If we bring... Actually, if I
Very
just... Look at
similar.
that. But if I put the glasses on the lemon, suddenly I've got a new
it.
producer.
That's
Rapping,
perfect.
got to move on to the next segment. Rapping. It's amazing, isn't it? Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for having us.
No,
We'll be back
do
in
that
more in
voice
half an hour.
again.
That is incredible. Rapping, gotta go, guys. Gotta go to the next segment. Prime Minister standing by. Gotta go. Okay, relax.
Very good.
Exactly, human emoji. Now to today's weather, and Sam Mack is exploring New Zealand's North Island. Hi, Sam.
Good morning, team. Kia ora from Brick Bay Vineyard here this morning. We're loving taking you around New Zealand all week, different spot every day, all of them very close together as well, just a short drive between these locations. They're also different as well. The sun is out, as it is every day in New Zealand, obviously. Whitechapel Jack, so excited to have you guys on the show. Love this. Bonnie, the story, you started playing at the markets in Matakana together, and now 13 years later, still here.
13 years, we're still together. It's like a good marriage. It's going well. It's going so well. I love it, yeah.
Every good marriage has 4 people in it. Hey, you started it. All right, let's move on quickly. We're going to do an original song. It's called Everyday People. Over to you whenever you're ready. Let's do it.
We got a one heart, everyday people, one love, everyday people, yeah. Together we will ride, hey. We got a one heart, everyday people, one love, everyday people, yeah. Together we will ride.
Oh, so good. Thank you so much. I love that. Original song called Everyday People will be recorded and released very soon. And we've learned if you've got a suitcase, you've got a kick drum, which is so cool. Let's do your weather. You were telling me that you would play the markets, but often for 5 hours, which is a long gig. You need a lot of songs for that, or you've got to do different versions of the same songs.
Girl.
So what did you do with Lord? You do different styles.
We did a country style, and it went at country markets in Matakana.
That makes sense.
Yeah, right?
Let's hear a little bit, a country version of Lord. Whenever you're ready, let's do it.
1, 2, 3. Can you never be royal? It's the one and only. The kind of life's the same for us. We get a different kind of us. Let me be your ruler. You can call me Queen Bee, but baby I'll rule. Let me live that fantasy, yeah.
I love that. So good. That's Lord, she had 6 coffees before her gig. Very cool, very fast. It's
She
moving.
can borrow that one.
If you want to check out their music, Whitechapel Jack on Spotify, on Instagram. Really lovely to meet you guys. So cool. Thank you for playing for us this morning. Can you play background while I talk about tomorrow? I love this. We should have this everywhere we go. Tomorrow on the show, we'll be at Hamilton Gardens. It's a surrealist garden, Alice in Wonderland style. We're also going to do a jet boat adventure, so we're going to share that on the show tomorrow. But thank you for joining us live from Brick Bay Vineyard here in New Zealand. Oh, this is delightful. Have a great day, everyone. Goodbye.
Oh, happy days.